right, so this is all great and amazing, but it's not gonna work unless you set up your own system. So this is, I guess, the second most important part of this course is really understanding how you can set up your system. Let's start by how much space do you have? Do you have a dedicated basement that's going to be your playroom? Do you have a dedicated converted dining room like I did to be your system? Or is it just a separate section, a little area next to your living room? Or is it that it's going to be in their own bedroom? So understanding how much space do you have, you're going to understand how you're going to be able to create those different areas that we talked about and get creative around your house. And you're going to be able to understand what shelves you have to actually display those toys and how you're going to rotate them. Once you know what areas you have, how much space do you need to buy a bookshelf that works better for your system. My sister's playroom area is the living room. So they don't even have an area they can separate for the kids. They just basically have a bookshelf for their toys. And she has the same IKEA unit as I do. Where's my little unit? The little one. This one. She has this exact unit under her TV, and that is the area that she has for toys. So understanding and identifying what areas you have and how you're going to display those toys is going to be crucial for the success of your rotation. It doesn't have to be a big area. It doesn't have to be, one room for the whole thing. Like, you can have different areas in different places. I have a friend who has by her kitchen, I guess where you're supposed to have like a dinette, she has a little toy area. And then on the living room, she has a little reading nook for them. So she's able to provide the different areas that are suggested, but they're kind of spread around their house. Take a look around in your house and define that space and how you are going to display and show those toys. Once you have that, then you're going to want to purchase some labels, some supplies to make storage easier.